And now here's Mario and the chef with Sunday Brunch.
All right, we've got a savory one. Our favorite chef, Frank Turnover, Classic Cooking, is here.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
This is Parmesan Cornbread. Now, unlike most cornbreads, you get a package or you have to use cornmeal. It's almost like taking beach sand and putting it with flour.
Okay.
This is solely made from fresh corn. Rhode Island's got an unbelievable crop of corn this year. And I want to tell people, it calls for 3 cups of fresh corn. The corn's raw. You got to cut it off the cob. Then you take a fork and you scrape down and you get what's called a corn milk. Now, the only sweetener in here is from condensed milk.
Okay.
All the sweetness comes from the corn. And in order to take care of time plus the noise, this is the corn with eggs, butter, and condensed milk.
Smells so good.
This goes into a pot. Mari, this is an incredible cornbread.
Right.
I'll tell you. Have some baking powder, baking soda. The cheese is already in there.
Okay. 1 cup
of flour. That's all there is. And then what you do is you whip it up. Now this is interesting. This is the pan I'm going to use.
Okay.
This is the 9x9 pan. You can see the way the paper is cut. I want to put the link. I've done this over and over again for years in the business. I'm going to put the link. People can find how to do this. This is a very, very simple procedure. And then once you get this done, it's very, very smooth. It's very, very liquidy for a cake batter. Then this goes into your prepared pan. And then we're going to sprinkle it with the rest of the grated cheese. I melted a whole stick of butter. That's no big deal.
Yeah.
That's butter. This goes great with eggs.
And what? Put it on?
And then what I do is I punch a bunch of holes with bamboo screw. You can use toothpicks. And then paint it. And as you're painting it, it just absorbs and absorbs and absorbs. It's not greasy butter. It just has a really nice taste.
It really tastes like fresh corn.
Oh, Mario, just the corn alone this year. I mean, every year. I make it in the summer, in the early fall, because the corn is still around. Once the winter comes, well, there's some corn that comes in from the south, which is fine, but
oh my God, so moist.
Nothing like this Rhode Island corn. This stuff is off the wall this year.
This is awesome.
Yep.
What do we call it?
Parmesan Cornbread.
Let's be on our website.
Turnitin.com.
We'll see you next week.
And we'll be here.